Eggs are one of the best. They give your hair a much-needed dose of protein that'll make your strands strong and thick. Plus, everybody has at least one egg in their fridge at all times, right? If you're short on time and just like to do things the lazy way, you can simply beat 1 or 2 eggs, depending on how long your hair is. Put the gooey stuff on damp hair and leave it like that for about 30 minutes. When the time comes, just wash your hair thoroughly with your favorite shampoo. Using this egg hair mask 1 to 2 times a week will do the trick. And if you really want to boost the effect, add some coconut oil. Take 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 2 tablespoons of water. Massage your scalp with this mixture and leave it on your hair for 30 minutes before rinsing it off with water. Olive oil is another awesome au naturel hair treatment. It's packed with essential vitamins like A and E that are a must-have for gorgeous, healthy hair. I prefer to use it on its own by warming it up, massaging my scalp with it, and leaving it on for about 30 to 45 minutes, or even overnight. Then I just wash my hair as usual, and that's it. Another popular olive oil hair treatment includes honey because it complements the olive oil really well and makes it work even better. If you want to try this recipe, mix half a cup of honey and 1/4 cup of olive oil, and put the mixture in your hair for 30 minutes. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water and wash your hair like you normally do. Castor oil also has a bunch of vitamin E in it. Plus, it's got fatty acids that promote healthy hair growth. But even though castor oil does a pretty good job on its own, I learned that it's better to mix it with coconut oil. For real though, that stuff is amazing for your hair. What you have to do is mix the castor oil and coconut oils in equal proportions. Heat it up a little bit and massage your scalp with it using circular motions. You can also put the remaining oil mixture on your hair and comb it through so that it gets evenly distributed all the way to the ends. Whatever option you choose, cover your hair with a warm towel afterwards and leave it on for about an hour so that it can work its magic.